Today we are riding Mescal to Chuck Wagon. It's a little loop that I have planned with a little bit of a shuttle in there, so it should be a really good ride with some slick rock and a little bit of tech. Let's go hit the trail. Today we are starting in the Boynton Canyon parking lot. We've got about a 7-mile ride planned and starting off on the Deadman's Pass trail till we hit Mescal, and then we're going to head over to Chuck Wagon. Should be a pretty fun ride, although we did encounter quite a few hikers on the last part of Chuck Wagon. These are some of the most popular trails in Sedona, so it is a pretty good route and you're able to tick off both of them. Now we're taking a right on the Mescal. So here I thought I had a flat tire, but it's just the sound of the rock and the dirt. It makes an interesting sound underneath your tires and kind of sounds like your tire is flat, but it's a really interesting sound, and only in Sedona have I ever experienced it. Looks like we got two options here, the easier one to the right, but you have to take a corner, and then the little bit harder one straight ahead. So I should have stayed up there. That was a fun section. Up here, I did not quite make it all the way up, but I was able to get my feet fully unclipped and able to jump off the bike, so that way I did not fall backwards into that pile of rocks. It looks like this is the intermediate way, but obviously I don't know. That might be difficult because of the exposure. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe while you're down there. And tell me if you are planning a trip to Sedona in the comment section down below. Yeah. So back behind me, right there, takes you to the Mescal Trail parking lot. that is where we are going to end. But first we have to go to the Long Canyon trailhead and parking, and that is going to get us to Chuck Wagon. Then we're going to end up, it's going to spit us out at the Mescal trailhead parking lot. And then we're going to continue that way and go shred Chuck Wagon.
So now we're going to head over across the road to, that's where Chuck Wagon starts. So you just right across the sandy parking lot and then across the road, and then you'll see a sign for Chuck Wagon, and you just follow that all the way to the Mescal parking lot.
So there's Chuck Wagon right across the road.
As you're riding in Sedona, make sure that you keep your eyes open so that way you can look for these optional lines like this slickrock section. These little offshoot lines can be pretty fun to ride, and this one definitely was, so make sure you keep your eyes open for little lines like that. So here is where the Devil's Bridge Trail meets up with Chuck Wagon. So there are a lot of hikers on this trail because the Devil's Bridge Trail is a very popular trail for hiking. So you have to be very careful about hikers on this trail. And if you want the bell that I use to warn hikers that I am coming, I will link it in the video description down below. It is an affiliate link and helps support this channel. It is very helpful, and I would definitely recommend picking one up if you're coming to Sedona, and it's just helpful anywhere that you might encounter hikers.
Thank you. 4 more. Thank you. 4 more. Few more. Yep. Thank you. 4 more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You.
Well, that was definitely a lot of hikers that we passed. Let me know in the comments how many groups that you counted. I'm estimating probably between 30 to 40 groups. It was definitely a lot of hikers, and I didn't run over any, so that was good.
It's a great ride today, just under 8 miles with, of course, some sessioning and riding stuff over and over again, which was really fun. The Mescal to Chuck Wagon loop was a pretty fun loop, but as far as logistics go, I would definitely not come here on a Sunday, or at least try to do Mescal to Chuck Wagon, not the other way around, or at least make sure you have a bell, because there was a ton of hikers on the last part of Chuck Wagon. If you have the bell, they're all very friendly and let you right past, and then of course thank you for the bell and telling you how many riders you have, which is always a good idea on crowded trails. This is day 1 of 3 of riding in Sedona, so make sure you subscribe down below so that way you do not miss the other videos of Sedona. They are going to be pretty epic and really fun. Go find your epic.